Good morning. Here is your daily math lesson for Wednesday, May 27th. I think I said yesterday was Monday, but really it was Tuesday. So we're going to take your ruler and we're going to just practice some measuring in your packet, some different line segments, some different objects. I did attach two different, I think actually it was one video. So after you watch this, or you can watch the video beforehand, just kind of going over how to use that ruler. So your first job is to find this page in your packet. Measure the object or line to the nearest inch. So remember, when you're measuring, boys and girls, okay, on your ruler. So I'm going to take my ruler. Hopefully you can see this. So I'm going to make sure I line up my ruler. 0 has got to be at the end. Whoop. Let's see if I can get my 0. So that line is actually the copy machine line, boys and girls. So you're going to want to go from the beginning of the little inchworm kind of to the end. So we're measuring to the nearest inch. So I see it's a little bit over the 2, but thinking about rounding, it is closer to this whole number. So when you write inches, you can do it two different ways. You can either write it shorthand, that actually means inches, or you can write 2 inches with the full word, or you can write it with the abbreviation IN. They all mean the same thing. And it does have on here inches. You might want to get in the habit of practicing how to write it like that, because that's what you'll see in everyday measurement. Oh, let me grab my eraser. The wire is laying on top of my eraser, that little stinker. All right, so that's your job for that page. Then in your packet, you also have a measuring inches. So it says use your ruler to measure each line segment. Same thing, boys and girls. Make sure when you are measuring, you are lining this up with 0. This doesn't have 0, but if it doesn't have a 0 there, that means you go all the way to the end. So it looks to me that is 4 inches. So on the bottom, you get to draw your 3-inch line segment. So here's a suggestion for you when you're doing this. Okay, I'm going to try to do it on the board here. I don't know how successful I will be, but I will try. So what I always tell friends, if you're going to draw any line segment, okay, put a dot at the beginning. We want 3 inches, and then you're going to bring your line across. And there is your 3-inch line segment. So that's first part here, second part, and then if you go to the back, you're going to do the same thing, but a couple more times. Just a little bit of practice with measuring. And watch that video that I posted on there. That will help a little bit too. Okay.